Hello, dear viewers and my learners. I hope all are well with the grace, with the bless of Almighty. I am also fine. Just after prayer of Asr, I was walking here and there. Now I am in good mood, in good and fresh mind. While I am walking here and there after Asr, suddenly a thought come to my mind that if I make a video for the youngsters, it will be better for me. So, keeping such a name, I am starting this video herein. So, my dear friend, we everybody know that in this COVID-19 pandemic situation, a large number of people, thousands of people has gone away from the earth. From our locals, from our neighbors, from our relatives, they have gone away. Where they have gone? They have gone where from no one come back again. It means they got died. They will not return again in this earth. However, my dear friends, learners and viewers, but thousands of people in India have lost their business. They have lost their duties. They have lost their appointments. From our neighborhood villages, many people were in the business, in the job, at their duties at Mumbai, Bangalore, Tamil Nadu, and many other places, Mizoram. But while the lockdown situation come, they lost their duties and now they are free. They are not finding any appointment for self-appointment. They are totally free. And even their source of income has been stopped. But a numbers of youngsters, they are completely free. They are totally unaware about this issue, that the COVID-19 pandemic situation, in the lockdown situation, they are not using their time. They are completely unproductive way they are using their time. They are wasting their time. Even a numbers of students, they lost their schools. In this situation, no schooling, and even their mind also getting lost. They are not searching for any study. They are not searching for any knowledge in this situation. And many of our youngsters, they are passing their time uselessly. Suppose somebody addicted with the mobile phone, using Facebook, WhatsApp, and moving out in the social medias in this way, and whatsoever. And some are wasting their times walking here and there with their friend circles, with their peer groups, and under the bridge, near the culverts, they are wasting their time completely unproductive way. So, if anybody asks, what are you doing here with the mobile phone? Free Fire. They are doing Free Fire in the mobile phone. This is a game. What are you doing? Oh guys, he will reply, no, just time pass. Yes, time pass. It's their reply. But imagine an important things. Times whatever you are passing, it is not your time pass only. Your life, it is your life pass as well. Because whatever time is you are passing, whatever time you are using unproductive way, you never ever separate it from your life. Only single minutes is a part of your life. Okay. So everybody knows that in the human life, human life is divided into three main stages. Suppose youth, adulthood, middle age, and old age. So from the four stages of the human life, some lives we also have been passed. Suppose some smaller subdivision of our life is that infant age, toddlering age, youth age, or teenage, and adolescence age we have already passed. Somebody have kept the adulthood stage also. We have passed many stages in our lives also. In this way, our total life will go. And think and imagine it deeply. The time, whatever we are spending, whatever we are spoiling, once we have to repent for that. Once we have to repent for that. Why we have spent such a numbers of times, such an important times. The importance of time we will understand whenever it will pass. So dear learners and viewers, think it. An example, teachers and time. Time and teachers teach us. But differently. It teaches differently. Teachers teach and then take the examination. But time teach after taking the exam. Time teach after take the exam and teachers teach before the exam. So we have to think it. I want to say here a share, some verses of the poetry that Ya saatu atba'uhan nizam alaika kullu rahatin haram ala tanamina kama nanam. Friend, Ya saatu atba'uhan nizam alaika kullu rahatin haram ala tanamina kama nanam. Oh ye the reputed watch, oh ye the reputed clock, do you have no any time like us to take rest and relax? Do you not take any relax? If even with the human being, even with the mankind sleeps and take the rest, why do you not take the rest? It is the language of the poet. So the friend, we have to use our time in productive way. So now I am giving you some important tips how to use your time. Don't abuse your time, but use your time. I think many books are there in your house, on the table, in the almari of your father's books, your mother's books. Many books will be there, which is beyond your course syllabus, which is beyond the school curriculum. You can read and study it. And other things, if you don't like to read these books, then read the religious books, religious scriptures, and usually worship to the Almighty whoever created us. And give the charity. Charity only, not the means to which we gives and provides with the money and rupees, money and wealth, but expression of the good words or giving a good suggestion to someone. It is also a kind of charity. So, and do the good behaviors and give up your evil company. So evil company means what? Those who are the evil doers. Give up them. Another important example I want to give you. We everybody know that the Satan is the evil. Satan is the evil spirit. We everybody knows it, because he usually gives in the mind of mankind. He usually whisper in the mind of mankind for the wrongdoings. Is not it? It is his duty. It is the duty of the Satan. But your wrongdoers, your evil company, only not whisper you in your mind for wrongdoings, but even he will hold your hand and he will take you for the wrongdoings. Thereafter, we have to give up our evil company. We have to give up our bad-natured, bad-cultured friends, and worship to Almighty, and go to the help for the poor, and with the mind of virtue help your fathers and help your parents. So that's okay. I don't want to speak more. I think whatever I spoke in herein, it means that only not I am giving you the knowledge and advice. I am giving an example shortly. If you throw a cricket ball on the wall, it will drop back again. In this way, whatever the good words and whatever the suggestion and advice I am giving to you, it will come back, it will drop back again to me. So no more today, and whatever talks and whatever speaks I delivered here, may Almighty gives us such a mental energy to implement in my practical life as well as in your practical life. Thank you. Amen.